Railway station in Lviv city is the only station which has a status of palace. At least there is inscription in Ukrainian language on its facade. Yeah, but the square at the railway station also has the name Palace Square. So exterior is very nice. Also during my visit I got very nice sample of this steam locomotive. On holidays in Lviv railway station from first platform there is such retro train. Yes, so I did this video on Christmas, on Orthodox Christmas, 7 December, so there was a holidays train, retro train. About the building itself, this is the second building. First building was initially erected in November 1861, 4th November, when the first train arrives from Przemysl city, from Poland. But shortly the building, the increased volume of passengers turnover was very big, and the current building at that time was not enough to take inside all the people. So this the first building was dismounted, and the current building was erected here in March of 1904. At that time it was one of the most modern railway station in Europe. By the way, this is construction which covers part of the platform, is also the only in Ukraine and the unique in Ukraine. Couple years ago, nearby square was only rebuilt and redesigned, as we see on this video. You know, there are some platforms for Lviv trams, yeah. For buses, and we see very modern reconstruction in this area. And at the entrance from left and right side there is a fountains with light, and especially in summertime when they walk, it's very nice. So this is exterior. What about the interior? This is the entrance to the main hall. Inside, from left, right side there are cash desks, ahead there is a schedule. There are two corridors, left and right. If you move to the right side, there is a luggage storage room, yeah, ahead. Here is a free of charge waiting room. Because it's free of charge, usually there are a lot of people. Yeah. My idea, I recommend to administration, to the railway station, to add more benches. And also there is some kiosks, small kiosks like everywhere. Here is automatic storage cells, luggage cells. If you turn to the left side, there is waiting room. You need to pay money, small amount. It was as far as I remember around $1, something like this. But as we see, there is more clear, more light, and not smell like a free of charge waiting room. Several tunnels connect railway building to the platforms. Yes, here is, for example, and the station, the main hall is located on the -1 floor, and you need to go to the to move up to come to the platforms. Also, here is VIP hall. Yeah, I think you need to pay more money here, but there are some divans, and I see some people who are sleeping here. Maybe they save money on the hotels. Yeah, and here is a look to the building from another part. So, railway station, Lviv city.